Hello YouTube friends. This video is going to be 5 secrets of thrift store shopping. These are all shopping secrets that I wish everybody knew, and I have bought and sold over 12,000 items, and these are just my top 5 thrift store shopping secrets. So let's get into the video. Number 1 is going to be one that you've probably not heard in any of these videos before, but number 1 to me is treat the thrift store staff just like they were your friends and talk to them and say hi when you see them. If you go there a lot, they probably know you and they recognize you. I like to chit chat back and forth. I will often just chit chat back and forth with them, and it provides a nice environment to shop at certain stores if you're going to some of the same stores. Often I like to develop just a good, friendly relationship with some of my thrift store staff. The second thrift store shopping tip is to check the jewelry case and the sunglasses. That is something that when I first started going to thrift stores, I would overlook because the jewelry case isn't just something that I think about. I'm just more focused on the clothes. But I have found some amazing jewelry pieces. In fact, pretty much all my jewelry pieces are from the thrift store, and I have found some beautiful, beautiful pieces at the jewelry counter. And I've also found some really nice sunglasses that are really nice name brands. And usually the jewelry and the sunglasses are pretty inexpensive. So that is the second tip to shopping at a thrift store. Tip number 3 is to wear comfortable clothes. And I'm not talking necessarily that you have to wear sweatpants and a hoodie, but if that's what you want to go for, then that's definitely something good to go for, because I always try to dress really comfortably. Usually I wear something just stretchy, t-shirt, and the most important thing to wear, I think, is probably tennis shoes. Most thrift stores have cement floors, and if you're there for a couple of hours, it could start hurting your feet after a little while. I recommend having a zip-up jacket or some type of a jacket or hoodie to put on top, because a lot of thrift stores that I go to are cold. They're freezing cold on the inside, and I get so cold, and there's been times where I actually leave the store just to warm up and then I'll come back. So have a cup of coffee with you, bring a jacket. A lot of times they're cold, a lot of times they're not. But I like to have that option, just to have a jacket with me in case it is cold on the inside. The 4th tip for thrift shopping is to follow your local thrift store or consignment shop on their social media pages. My local thrift stores have special deals where they alert people on Facebook, where they're having a special deal of the day. If you're following them on Facebook, you find out about it, but it's not announced in store or anything like that. It's just on their social media. So I know a lot of consignment stores do the same thing. The 5th and final tip for thrift store shopping secrets is to find what their discount days are. And I know this one is what people proclaim all over, because there's so many different days where they have specials, and usually they have a calendar. Sometimes it's on their website or their social media page. Or Tuesday at my local thrift stores, they have a special deal where if you are a military member or a teacher, you get 25% discount. Now, I was a teacher, but I am not any longer, so I can no longer get the teacher discount. My husband is a veteran from the military, so sometimes I like to bring him along on Tuesdays and we get that 25% off. They have other deals. Often some of the most common ones I've seen are student discounts, senior citizen discounts. So bring your mom or grandma or somebody along to go shopping, and sometimes it's students, so if you have a little brother or sister, you could have them come along with you, and they have different deals where they'll give 25 or 35% off, and that can definitely add up. So in store, sometimes they have a calendar posted. And those are my top 5 tips for thrift store shopping. If you liked this video, please give it a like down below and subscribe to my channel if you would like to get more content, and click that notifications bell if you'd like to be notified when I put out new videos, which is every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!